What's going on, guys? Back here with Drywall Danny Does, framing, building. That was in the last video. Now, I have to frame the garage door wall with a big old garage door, an 8x16, and a man door on the front. But I can't build it the same way. I'm using OSB because I'm gonna do a different design of siding on the front. So that's what we're gonna start today, because trusses come tomorrow. Now, cutting the header for the man door. And since it's 36-inch door, we'll put that wall there. Since it's a 36-inch door, you gotta account for the door jamb. So you make the door opening 38, 2 inches bigger. And since this is header above it, you gotta add 1.5 inches for each crippler. You gotta cut these at 41. Piece of pie. I like using chop saw. Cuts them both same time. Perfect. Bah humbug. Who put all that wood right there? Rude. One of these is wider than the other. Now I gotta go cut another one. Be right back. Okay. Pretty sure we can do this. The problem is those bolts are taller than normal. Yeah. Well, I did that one all by myself. Yeah, we just hold it up there, and I gotta go slip the bolts in.
Keep walking it.
Yep.
So once I get it up,
yeah.
Stay here on this side.
Yeah. Because once you get it up, you just hold it from moving. I'll slip the bolts in and call her good. 1, 2, 3. See? Piece of cake. And just let it semi. I think that slipped in. Oh, it went too far on this one. There we go.
Hold it.
Yeah, just hold it. Let me get that bench. Yeah.
Good? You want to push it?
Yeah, it'll hold it. Yep, that's how tall our door is. That's right, Team Beefcake! What? Yeah, the forks have it if it falls. Yeah, you want to hand me the hammer? Don't walk underneath. Just kidding. How rude. Rain just starts coming in like it owns the place. But, got the beam in place. How many times am I going to say place? Too many. Me?
Pooping my pants.
You're pooping your pants? That plastic thing went right in my mouth. So as you can see, got the wall sheeted, blocking in. Trusses come tomorrow. I'm excited. That's a little nerve-wracking how they place them. I got the video for that. This one's just a short one, showing you how I got the wall framed. So if you liked what you saw, subscribe, leave a comment, drop a like. I appreciate you guys being here. Stay tuned for the trusses being delivered. Danny Drywall Danny out.